Hi guys, Gary the Garden Novice here. I'm going to do a quick couple of minutes update on my giant onions for Petronas Giant Onion Challenge 25-26. So here we go. So these have been grown without any lights and without any heat, from scratch. And they're not very big really compared to some people's. I've just measured them, and the biggest one isn't in a pot. It was a spare one, and it was that one there. That measures the circumference of 330 millimeters, just over 12 inches, and that one there measures 300 millimeters, 12 inches, and the rest are slightly smaller. They're all alive, and they're all grown. They were my best 6 onions. Now comparing them with my main crop onions, I'll show you them. Right, these are my main crop onions. Now I don't know what variety they are, because it was one of my plot neighbours who gave me the plants. But look at those. Now those were seed. Sorry, they weren't plants, they were seed, and I grew the seed. But they're huge. All the way down. So if they're any bigger, I'll weigh and measure one of them for the challenge. I'm only joking. But yeah, so those are my main crop potatoes, main crop onions, and they're all doing really well. I was starting to swell out now. Some of the foliage is starting to go back, so I'll get to harvest some of them. So yeah, so they're the main crop. So as you can see, the Giant Onion Challenge 25-26 onions, the ALC, they're still in the game. Not exactly show bench size, but yeah, I've enjoyed growing them. It's been fun, and like Pete said, if you don't win, at least you've had a go and you've grew a big onion that you've never grown before, which I have. So that's it, Pete. That's my little update on my ALC giant onions, and I look forward to Friday onion night next Friday. See how everybody else is getting on. Until then, bye for now.